Hello, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Dear student, yesterday we have discussed about the joint family. Joint family consists of parents, grandparents, and their children. And in a joint family, child learn sharing, caring, cooperation, and live in a harmony. Today we will discuss the nuclear family. What is nuclear family? Nuclear family is also known as the small family. Now we will discuss here. A nuclear family consists of a married couple and their unmarried children. That we can see here the picture, married couple and their children. In a nuclear family, the parents and siblings provide all the support, companionship, and advice to the children. Sibling means real brother and sister. Companionship means friendship. They treat like a friend to each other and advise the children. Only who is supporting here? Parents. As their cousin, uncle, aunt or grandparent do not live with them, because grandparents and their uncle aunt not living with them. So who is supporting them and giving advice? Their parents are giving advice to them. There is great interaction among the parents and the children in a nuclear family. Why? Because only parents are there and children are there. So means it's create a strong bond between the family members. Now there is a story. Let's discuss the story. Angad's uncle worked in a bank. He has been transferred to Ladakh. His wife and two children are also going with them. The whole family is feeling very sad. Angad's uncle Sandeep and his wife Priya rent a house in Ladakh because they don't have their house there, so they rent a house in Ladakh. Their children Riya and Vikas miss their grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousin, because before this they were in a joint family, but after the transfer they are shifted to Ladakh. The children are missing their grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousin. Their parents are helping them to adjust to a nuclear family because there is no support of their grandparents, uncle, aunt. So who is helping them to adjust in the environment? Their parents. So they are learning from their parents about the adjustment, how to adjustment in any environment. You can see here. Angad friend Parth. Angad went to Parth's house to see his baby sister Shweta. You can see here Parth told him that she grew up in his mother's body. She was delivered in a hospital and brought home. How she became the member of this family? When his Parth mother gave birth to Shweta in the hospital. Angad wondered where she would sleep and what she would eat. She is thinking what the little baby eat and where she would sleep. Now our next paragraph, changing family system in India. Nowadays the family system is changing. How? The family system is changing very fast. Joint family system, which was very strong in India, is changing as people are moving to different part of the country and the world. Because as we have studied in the previous paragraph that how Angad uncle has to leave his family just because he is transferred to the Ladakh. So means they are living with their children, so they become the nuclear family. The system of joint family is changing because of many reasons. They migrate to their place in search of better job and education opportunities or suitable climate. The reason are here why they are migrate, just because they going for the job and education opportunity or suitable climate. What are the migrate? The migrate means the person who go one place to another in search of job, education and many reasons that we have seen. We are watching in news nowadays. Many people are migrated people. They came to the cities in search of job, but due to coronavirus, they are going back to their home again. So they were migrated people. They came to cities in search of job and education. In earlier time, most people were engaged. Engaged means busy. In the old time, many people were busy in agriculture. It required means they want many hands that were available in a joint family, because they are doing agriculture, so they want many people so they can do work easily. But the income from land was not sufficient. Sufficient means not enough for increase in size of family. Means members are many in a family but income is very less. Hence, इसलिए some member move to cities for employment in various field. They move to the cities for employment in search of job, so they can earn money in the various field, like many things, do many things, लेबर्स, किसी भी काम के लिए वो बाहर निकले हैं और ज़्यादा पैसा कमाना है उनको. न्यूक्लियर, सो दे कैन फुलफिल द नीड्स ऑफ देयर फैमिली. Nuclear families became common in rural areas, means village areas. Even in urban means town. Even in urban area, the member of nuclear family increase as many member move to other city or countries for education, employment, climate, etc. That we have already discussed, that why they are moving in search of job, education, for the climate reason, maybe climate is not good. Now what happened, the nuclear family is increasing. Whenever the type of family may be, maybe nuclear or joint family, it's not a matter, but what is important, each member of the family is important. A family provides a environment of care, protection, love and belongingness. Whether it is a joint family, it is a big family, it is a nuclear family, but all want care, protection, love and belongingness. Do you know, all the family members get together for celebration like wedding, festival and the birthday of a child. Whether it is a joint family and nuclear family, when any occasion come, they celebrate together. Now we will discuss, do you know, family unity can be encouraged in following way. कैसे हम उसको बढ़ावा दे सकते हैं फैमिली यूनिटी को? ट्रीट all the member with respect. We should respect all the member. Forgive and forgot means if we fight with any member of family, quarrel with any member of family, we should forgive and forget why we were fought. क्यों लड़े थे हम, क्या बात थी, उस चीज़ को भूल जाना चाहिए और आगे मूव करना चाहिए. Spend quality time together, and we should spend the quality time means we should live happily, play different type of games, sharing, caring, all these things. Now dear student, today we have complete our chapter. In this chapter we have discussed about the nuclear family, joint family, about how children learn from their elder, like good habits, moral values and skills. What are the moral value we have learned in this chapter? We have learned sharing, caring, love, affection, happiness, good manners, etc. So dear student, tomorrow we will discuss the exercise of this lesson, and please you have to read this lesson and try to solve the MCQs, which is given on the page number 6. Tomorrow we will discuss it. That's all for the today. Thank you and have a nice day.